Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Save for Later section on Amazon. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon's website. Once you're in the website, make sure you're logged into your account. And now, to find the Save for Later section, go to Cart at the top right corner, click on it. Now, if you scroll down, here you can see Save for Later, and I have added 4 items on Save for Later. So that's how you can access Save for Later on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.